Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? No, seriously. Guess. Okay. It's too hard. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me.
Yeah. Yeah.
What up, Poppin-ass queens? I'm back. And if you don't know me to even care if I'm back or not, I'm Nika.go. Welcome to my channel, home of the Poppin-ass queens. So with that being said, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button if you're trying to be a PAQ like the rest of us, so you don't miss out on any of my uploads every Wednesday and Sunday. Yep, I said every Wednesday and Sunday. It's been a while, so I'm coming back even harder with 2 videos a week. Boom. If you watch my videos, you know I like to get straight to it, so let's jump right in. This wash and go looks like a day 30 wash and go, and it's only been a week. So I decided to turn this wash and go into a bomb-ass Braid-Out, which if you didn't know by now is my favorite way to wear my hair. The best way to get started is to wet this tumbleweed. But y'all don't have to see the details of that, so there we go. This is gonna be fun because I love trying new ways to perfect this style. So I'm gonna be trying some new products that I've personally never used before, and a new technique that I randomly thought of. I didn't invent, I'm sure, but I just thought of it. All right, I'm gonna put my hair in 4 sections. And then once I start braiding, I'm gonna split each one of those sections into 2 sections. Because my hair is so thick, I like to start off with the style being as flat as possible so that I can have more control of how big it gets over time. My wash and go was kind of dry, so I am going to use one familiar product, Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner, to get some moisture back into my hair, because Lord knows I need it. Okay, so like I was saying before, I'm going to split each section into 2 smaller sections. Try to make them even. And then what I'm going to do differently is I'm actually going to rubber band each section because I'm trying to achieve the flattest look possible. Getting to the new stuff now, I'm going to be using this Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. Comes through with the smell good. I love it so. Not only is this braid out about to be poppin', it's about to be a fortress of smell good. What am I talking about? I feel like I'm rambling.
Glory me, glorify my magnitude's oversight. I'm alive, bigger than I ever was. Fortified, my fortitude's never tied. I survive, bigger than I hope to be. Oh yeah. Bigger than I hope to be. Oh yeah. Every day a nigga underestimates me. These nigga crazy. This shit is water. My shit is wavy. It is what it is. So why even bother? Nothing can change it.
Alright, so I am done. So I tightened the rubber bands. Oops, one popped. I tightened the rubber bands so that my roots would lay nice and flat and smooth. And then when I'm taking them down, I'm just gonna pop the rubber bands off and then take out the braids. But this can kind of be a look. Like I feel like I could rock this if I added like some hair jewels or something. But I'm gonna let this dry overnight because it's nighttime now. This took longer than I expected. And then in the morning, because I know it's not going to be fully dry, I'm gonna sit under the dryer and then I will return and we're gonna see how it turns out.
Bigger than I hope to be. Oh yeah. Yeah. Way bigger than I hope to be. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm bigger than I hope to be. Yeah. Must be the plan. Must be the plan. Bigger than I hope to be. Must be the plan. Must be the plan. Bigger than I hope to be. Must be the plan. Must be the plan. Bigger than I hope to be. Ooh. Must be the plan. Yeah. Must be the plan. Yeah. Must be the plan. Glory me, glorified. My magnitude's oversized. I'm alive, bigger than I ever was. Fortified, my fortitude's never tied. I survived, bigger than I hope to be. Oh yeah, yeah. Bigger than I hope to be. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Must be the plan. 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 Must be the plan.
Alright y'all, so these are my results. And I have 3 major takeaways from the products that I use and the technique that I tried. Number 1, I feel personally that I get less frizzier results when I do more braids. And I think what happened was I did less braids and they were bigger. So I did have some defined pieces, as you can see, but towards the middle of each section it started to get frizzy. So I should stick with more braids. Number 2, the rubber bands. So the rubber bands worked out really good because it kept my roots flat, but not only that, I liked how it kept my roots smooth. And I just personally think when your roots are smooth, it just makes a more cohesive look for the style. So I'm gonna continue to do that, just with more braids. Last but not least, that twist and shout cream is bomb. So bomb. All these pieces that are really defined, I feel like it's because of the cream. I loved how it weighed down my hair and like really smoothed out the strands. So the braids came out really smooth. So that resulted in, you know, like areas like this that's like really defined. So I'm gonna use that again for another braid out, and I'm gonna use it for a twist out because my twist outs don't normally come out really good, but I think with that cream, it definitely can. And an added bonus, my hair feels super soft and of course smells good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment for a chance to be featured as my comment of the week in next week's video. But until next time, to all my PAQs, stay poppin'.